Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Credit Builder on Chime. To begin, you'll need a Chime checking account. A key requirement is a qualifying direct deposit of at least $200. This deposit must come from an employer, payroll provider, or a benefits payer. Remember, transfers from other Chime accounts or third-party services like Venmo or Cash App do not count towards this eligibility. Once you meet the initial requirements, open your Chime app. Look for the Credit Builder section, usually found on the main dashboard. Tap on it and follow the simple on-screen prompts to apply for your secured credit card. A great benefit is that Chime does not perform a credit check when you apply, making it accessible for many individuals looking to improve their credit score. After approval, you'll need to fund your Credit Builder secured account. Simply transfer money from your Chime checking account to this new account. The amount you transfer becomes your credit limit, which can be as little as $1. Now you can use your Chime Credit Builder Visa card for your daily purchases, just like a regular credit card, but with your own money. To effectively build your credit, Chime reports your on-time payments to the 3 major credit bureaus. It is crucial to pay your balance in full each month. This demonstrates responsible credit behavior. Chime also offers a safer credit building feature, which can automatically pay your balance using funds from your secured account, helping you avoid missed payments and consistently build a positive credit history.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.